5 Natural Home Remedies for Dark Lips. Are you wondering why your lips are suddenly not as pink as they used to be and are turning darker day by day? Well, worry not, you are not alone. Unless it is genetic, several health, dietary and lifestyle factors can make your lips dark. If you smoke, you may have darker lips than your non-smoking friends. Sometimes, cosmetics may also have chemicals that can turn your lips dark. A vitamin deficiency may also lead to lip discoloration. Maintain a healthy diet and eat lots of fruits and vegetables rich in vitamin C to get rid of dark lips. It is also advisable to check the water quality at home. If your tap water is chlorinated, it can also give you darker lips. Your lips are thrice as sensitive as your skin, and therefore they need more attention and care. One of the best ways to take care of your lips is to make use of kitchen superstars. If you no idea what we are talking about, take a look. Thank us later. Here are few natural home remedies to get rid of dark lips. 1. Lemon. Lemon has natural bleaching and exfoliating properties. You can either squeeze half a lemon and apply the juice directly on your lips daily, or you can also take a thin slice of lemon, sprinkle a bit of sugar on top, and rub it on your lips. It will exfoliate dead cells for fresher skin to appear. Use this remedy daily for a few weeks to ensure perfect lips. The acid in lemon also help remove blackness and bring back the original lip color. 2. Olive oil. You may have known about olive oil's benefits for your health, skin and hair, but did you that it can also give you rosy pink lips and moisturize them too? Prepare your own natural scrub by mixing 1/2 teaspoon of sugar and a few drops of extra virgin olive oil. Scrub your lips gently with this mixture once a week for best results. In fact, you can use olive oil alone to protect them from drying out or becoming chapped. Use it just like any other commercially bought lip balm or chapstick. 3. Rose water. Rose water has several healing properties which can work well for soothing and moisturizing your lips. Mix a drop of rose water with a teaspoon of honey and apply on your lips. Do this 2 to 3 times a day. You can also mix a tablespoon of rose petal paste and 1 teaspoon of butter, honey, or milk cream and apply the paste on your lips at least twice a day for best results. 4. Pomegranate. The pink fruit can also bring back the natural pinkish hue of your lips. Mix together a tablespoon of pomegranate juice, beetroot juice and carrot juice. Apply it on your dark lips once daily for best results. You can also use some milk and crushed pomegranate seeds to bring back the red rosy lips you once had. Thankfully, there are no known side effects of any of these remedies, therefore, you can use them on a daily basis. 5. Almond oil. Almond oil can work wonders in making your lips supple and help you get rid of pigmentation. Apply the oil on your lips before bedtime. You can also mix lime juice with almond oil and apply to prevent darkening of lips. It is also the emollient properties of almond oil will rejuvenate the skin. It is its sclerostin properties that help lighten the lips, thus reducing any dark spots.